Greetings WordPress bloggers, welcome to another Cyber Week deal from Code Canyon. This is for the WP cost estimation and payment form builder, currently on sale right now, 50% off. This plugin has almost a perfect 5-star rating with over 18,000 sales, making this the best and #1 form builder with cost estimation and payments currently on this market. Let's check out some of the features. It has a professionally built visual form designer, and you can build your form visually without any coding required. Looks really professional and clean. Again, almost perfect 5 stars. It can handle PDF file generations after the form is filled. It can even do payments and send out automated emails, give your visitors and members, customers special discounts, price calculations, WooCommerce support, sales statistics, integrates with Google Analytics and Maps, and even has booking features. Let's take a look at some of the demos, and here is one for calculating your real estate loan. Really nice and fancy looking. Dragging these options right here, how much do you want to borrow and how many years, and it calculates automatically. And now let's take a look at a vehicle rental form. So we got here step 1 of 6, so we got a progress bar, pretty nice, and then we can select the type of vehicle. Let's do car, and then multi-step form, and now we're on step 2 out of 6. How far do we intend to go? So we select something here and next step, and where do you want to go? So as you can see, it's very professional looking, smooth. Take a look at another example for reserving a room at a hotel. So here we can select different options. So you want a simple bed with a TV and a balcony, and it actually updates this graphic automatically. So this is quite impressive. And then the date of arrival, your email, phone, and a summary, and then order button, and then you can also accept payments as well. Really awesome. And here's one for an example website creation form. Let's get started. So this is for like an agency, and we have visitors that wants to build a website, so they can select if they want a website or a mobile app. So let's do website, and what features do we want? Let's do e-commerce, and then I want a blog as well. So here you can see the price estimation, and now the design. Do we want it for desktop and mobile or responsive? And now the price changes. So that's really nice, and that's the power of the WP cost estimation and payment form builder plugin, and that's why it deserves the 5-star. Very clean, smooth, and professional, and you can customize all the colors and fonts and features. Currently on sale, 50% off. Check out the demo, links down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more WordPress deals. Thanks again, and happy blogging.